Hello. Welcome to the Ultimate JavaScript Interview Guide, Part 2.
Question number 3. How to change background color of all paragraphs to blue with JavaScript. Well, you can do it using getElements by tag name selector of JavaScript. Here we are attaching a function on click of button. And in this change BG function we will write the color change logic. Here we selected all paragraphs with getElements by tag name by passing the p tag. It will return a live collection of paragraph elements, and we will iterate through each paragraph element of this collection with for off loop. Then we can change the background color property and style of each paragraph element by assigning a new color value blue to it. Now on click of change color button, the background color of all paragraphs is turned to blue. In this way you can change the background color of all paragraph elements. You can pass any element in getElements by tag name selector, for which you want to do DOM manipulation. Like here, we are also changing the background color of all h3 heading in same way. Thank you. That was all for the third question.
Due to timing issue, we have divided the tutorial into different questions and playlist. You can subscribe for next upcoming tutorials. And for basic JavaScript interview question and answers you can watch our previous video of the Ultimate JavaScript Interview Guide Part 1. The link is mentioned in the description of this video. Thank you. See you in next video.